guys. Good morning everyone. Thank you for joining. Hi everyone. Thank you for joining. Good morning. Hello. So we are going to see different kinds of sarees today. Those of you who couldn't join, please don't worry. I'll be saving this and posting this as an IGTV video anyway. Okay, let's start. The first one is actually a silk saree and it has buttas all throughout the saree. You can call it MS blue or electric blue, the brightest blue. It's a pure Kanchipuram silk with 1 gram pure zari. And this is the pallu. It's a really grand pallu. And it has gold zari detailing here as well. And the buttas are pure thread work. Please message for prices. I'll not be posting the prices here as usual. This is the pallu and this is the running blouse. Thank you, Aarti. Please ping for the prices. Is the video clear? Can anybody confirm? Is the video clear? If the video is clear, can anybody confirm? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Aarti. The next saree is a silk cotton saree. Can also be called the Mukuttiamman Rettapet silk cotton saree. Rettapet is nothing but double borders and it's made of 60% pure silk and 40% cotton, as many of you may know. Silk cotton. Has a beautiful rich zari woven pallu. It's magenta and green with round buttas. And the same color blouse. It's actually running blouse, but I've separated it. With borders on both sides. This is the blouse. The lighting is making the green look different, but actually it's a bright warm green. It's not a bluish green, it's a warm green. Please ping for prices. The next sari is everyone's favorite, Chinnara Pattu or Varainar Pattu banana pith silk sari. It's a beautiful bright parrot green with a contrast hot pink pallu. As you know, Chinnara Pattu pallus are simple lines with buttas, and the whole sari has small buttas, borderless, and Chinnara Pattu saris do not come with a running blouse. It has the texture of soft silk. It's very smooth, handloom. It's not transparent, as you can see. Does not come with a running blouse, and it has a pink pallu. Throughout the sari we have buttas, the same buttas. These are the buttas. And we have lines in the pallu with the same buttas in a different color. All the buttas are thread work only. It's a very minimalistic silk sari. If you are looking for a silk sari in a budget, I would recommend this. We have lots of other colors as well. You can ping me, I can send you the entire collection. The next one this is something new we are introducing, and that is why I wanted to do this live in the first place. It's actually hand embroidery. We are taking very limited orders because each order will take around 2 to 2.5 months, and this is hand embroidery, and this material is actually silk, pure silk. If you want the embroidery in an existing sari, you can mail it to us. We can provide the address. All the price details you can please DM us. This is a mixture of kutch work, chain stitch, and the material is pure silk. We can also do it in polycot, any silky material. It's really elegant. And the pallu has a similar work. We can also do it in your blouses. It's complete hand embroidery. I'll show you variations in a minute. And this sari is a polycot sari, as I told you earlier. And this is kutch work, fully kutch work. It's a polycot sari and completely kutch work. This is the pallu. And on the edges of the sari we have this beautiful colorful kutch work on the side of the borders actually. This particular sari is not for sale because it was already done for someone, but now we are open to doing it on your own saris if you want to mail it to us, and blouses as well. And the next one is satin stitch. This is the pallu and complete hand embroidery only. It's a beautiful diamond design. And this is polycot as well, the material of the sari. Basically look like this, and we'll have it on both edges of the sari. The next one is pure silk, pure Kanchipuram silk, and these beautiful manga designs in kutch work. It's on this end of the sari. I'm sure you can see how well the embroidery has been done. Very, very labor intensive. So much of hard work and accuracy goes into this. This is the pallu with the same designs but closer. These are just ideas. If you can come up with similar ideas, we can do it for you, but it's going to take 2 to 2.5 months or more than that, depending on the designs, density of the designs. We also have plain silks, so you can select that also from us, or if you want to do it in an existing sari, we can do that as well. This is another design, hand embroidery as well. It's called Kamal work. Most of them do it on their blouses. It's basically this flower design, and we can do it in different colors as well, as you can see. It's called Kamal work. So pretty, as you can see. Next, as you guys requested, cotton sarees as well. I'm going to show you some cotton as well. It's a Chettinad cotton sari. It has a small border here on top and a bigger one on the other edge. It's a beautiful lightweight Chettinad cotton sari. This is the pallu. This is the pallu, very simple pallu with buttas, completely thread woven sari, and this is the detailing on the border. one edge of the border, and it's, I would say it's a pale pink. It's not too bright. It's a pale pink with a blue piping border. I didn't want to show the double folded sari because some of you requested, you wanted to see the actual transparency of the sari, so I'm just putting the not folded one. This is the pallu, and the next one. Next one is everyone's favorite Sungadi Zari Katam in black, and parrot green. I'm sorry, it's inverted. It's black and parrot green with a zari woven border. Sungadi style, and a contrast pallu in green with just zari lines. It's a beautiful combination, a very rare combination in Sungadi Zari Katam. The edging and fall has already been done for the sari as someone requested, but then they didn't take the sari later, so you can ping me for the price and other details. For those of you who missed the live, do not worry, I'll be reposting this as an IGTV video. And I have some more variations of the hand embroidery which I told you earlier. This has been done in a small, it's like a patchwork which you can do. Patchwork is very popular these days. This is one design which can be done. It's a mixture of Kutch work and lazy daisy. This is another example of a patchwork. This is lazy daisy. You can do it on your blouses, or you can also do the whole patchwork on the border of a sari, plain sari. So many things can be done. This is an example, and this is another example. Chain stitch, and this is another type which is called smocking, if you guys know. It basically expands. It can be beautiful on kids and even on sleeves if you want. These are just examples I'm showing you guys. So that's it for today's live. Hope you enjoyed. Please message on pricing details or any other inquiries on embroidery and pricing details of that as well. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Bye bye.